welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make the cheese puri. It's a different version of Pani Puri and it is absolutely delicious and kids are absolutely going to fall in love with it. So guys, if you do like my recipe, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed. Guys, now in a pan, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of oil and move it around. You can always use olive oil as well. And keep the flame on high, and now we're going to add the onions. This is about 1/4 cup of onions, finely chopped. 1/4 cup of finely chopped green capsicum, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red bell pepper, again 1/4 cup of finely chopped yellow bell pepper, and 1/4 cup of boiled sweet corn, and about 1 teaspoon of jalapenos. This is totally optional. And now we are going to quickly stir fry them. So guys, after a minute, let's turn off the flame, and now it's time for us to transfer our stuffing into a bowl. And wait for it to come down to room temperature. And now guys, our stuffing is at room temperature. So now let's add the mixed Italian herbs, followed by the chili flake, pinch of salt because the mixed Italian herbs already has some salt content in it. Let's add about 1 tablespoon of the pizza sauce. Now this is my homemade pizza sauce. You can always find the recipe on my channel as well as on my website. And now I'm going to add a little bit of cheese in here. Nice. And of course, now let's just quickly mix everything in. I always prefer this sauce or this stuffing to be a little stiff. I don't like it when it gets watery, so prefer to go for the pizza sauce which is not very watery. Everything is nicely mixed in. So now let's prepare our puris. So guys, you see I have my puris and I've made a hole in the puris, and now we are going to fill it with our stuffing. So after I put in all the stuffing, I added one slice of olive on top of each, and now let's add some cheese. So don't be stingy with cheese, okay guys, because this is cheese puri or pizza puri, so you have to have a lot of cheese. And now this will go in my microwave for just on a very high, the highest power possible. So it'll be about 900 watts, and for just 10 seconds, not even 10 seconds. Oh my gosh, this is smelling so amazing, guys. You have to make this today, and I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am digging in. Amazing. The stuffing is yummy with the cheese. Wow, absolutely wow. Guys, you make it. Let me know how much of wow factor does this dish consist. Just make sure you do not put it in the microwave for too long of a time, otherwise it will get soggy. And guys, if you do like my recipe, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, because that is one way you can support me. And then click on this link as well as this link, because these are amazing recipes which you don't want to miss. And I'll see you later. Bye.